One, by spoiling character of Balu, what he did with his SLC result, how he thrown this result into the gutter, and something else in the rest part of this novel. So Balu, after throwing his certificate into the gutter, he ran away from his home. He left his home. वो अपने घर को छोड़ के चला गया. And this one is just like a thunderstorm for his wife and his family. Meenakshi started to curse her husband. She just made him responsible behind the ruin, behind the destructions, behind the such conditions of Balu. But Margia, he just engaged, he just involved to make money. Okay? Soon after, he became a leading financier of that particular Malgudi. He became a millionaire. वो millionaire बन गया. How? In this, to make him a successful millionaire, to make him a successful financier, Mr. Paul helped him a lot. The very first publishing his book based on sexology. The title of that book is Domestic Harmony. I have many times told you in the previous video. I also told you about this domestic harmony. This one is the title of this book that is based on sexology. Okay, and the second one, how he helped Margia. How he helped Margia. He helped Margia with the help of other rich person. They just used to mortgage his deposit, their deposit nearby Margia. जितने भी शेयर होल्डर्स थे, जितने भी रिच पीपल थे, रिनाउंड पीपल थे मालगुडी के, वो अपने डिपॉजिट्स को मार्गिया के पास रखते थे और मार्गिया इनके इन रिटर्न ही यूज्ड टू गिव हिम हाई इंटरेस्ट. सपोज दैट इफ the nearby person deposited the property of 20,000, in return he gave the interest of 15,000, and Margia became richer day by day. Okay, he became a millionaire, and each and every nook and corner of his room having the sack of currency, having the sack of money. Everywhere one thing is a very common sight, the currency, currency and currency. मार्गिया के घर सिर्फ करेंसियों से भरे हुए थे. He became so rich, he became millionaire, he became one of the renowned, the prestigious person, the wealthiest person of Malgudi. But what he lost his son. His only one kid Balu left his home. And one day, Margia got a letter from Madras that his son is no more. एक दिन मार्गिया को एक पोस्ट कार्ड मिलता है, एक लेटर मिलता है, और उस लेटर में क्या लिखा रहता है कि आपका पुत्र बालू अब नहीं रहा. Your son is no more. This one was quite shocking to each and every one of that particular family. Meenakshi became insane. She became mad, she became crazy. She started to just find out her son. Margia also became disturbed. Margia's brother also, he wanted to help to find out, to search the reality behind Balu's death. Now Margia started to go Madras. During this journey, he met in the train, he met a police inspector who helped Margia to trace Balu. Okay. During the journey to Madras की जर्नी में मार्गिया की मुलाकात एक पुलिस इंस्पेक्टर से होती है ट्रेन में, और वो बताता है कि न्यूज़ जिसने आपको दिया है, ही वॉज अ रिच मैडमैन, वो एक पागल धनी व्यक्ति है और वो पागल हो चुका है. वो इस तरह के काम बहुत ज़्यादा कर चुका है, पहले भी वो इस तरह की अफवाहें फैला चुका है. योर बालू इज येट अलाइव, वो अभी भी जिंदा है, एंड आई वुड हेल्प यू टू ट्रेस हिम, एंड अल्टीमेटली Margia and police inspector got success to trace Balu. Where did Balu work that time when he had been traced out? He had been working in a cinema hall. वो एक सिनेमा हॉल में एक प्रैक्टिशनर के रूप में काम कर रहा था और वहीं पे मार्गिया बालू को पकड़ते हैं, ट्रेस आउट करते हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ पुलिस इंस्पेक्टर. एंड आफ्टर दैट व्हाट हैपेंड, ही फेस्ड हिम टू मालगुडी. और उसे लेकर वो वापस कहाँ आ जाते हैं? मालगुडी में. मालगुडी आपको पहले ही मैं बता चुकी हूँ, एक इमेजिनेटिव टाउन है जो आर के नारायण के नॉवेल्स में हमें देखने मिलता है. ओके, सो जब वो मालगुडी लेके बालू को आते हैं, मीनाक्षी अगेन हैप्पी. ओके, ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम व्हाट हैपेंड, आर Margia started to think what was his future planning of Balu. Now we come to know about this in next video. So my dear student, you should understand this and you should try to get the content till here. The returning, the comeback process of Balu from Madras after leaving his home, after throwing that certificates into the gutter. Thank you.